What's going on, guys? So today we're going to be working on 2006 Toyota Corolla. We're going to be replacing the radiator on it. So stay tuned. We're going to show you the tools and how to get it done. But yeah, without further ado, I'm going to be recording the whole video. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be working on this car. When I do my cars, I'll do it myself. But David's going to be working on it, and we're going to go ahead and show you David so you guys can meet him. You guys probably seen him in the older videos, but since we're starting all over again, it's been 2 years since I haven't posted a video. You guys will come follow along, and I hope you guys support and share, comment, like, and do all the cool stuff you guys do on YouTube. But yeah, let's get into it. Guys, this is David right here doing the job. You guys already know we call him David, Master Mechanic, and he's about to do his job, get it done, and we'll show you every step of the way how to get this done, and you can do it yourself so you don't have to pay a local mechanic. Before you start taking anything off the radiator, the first thing you want to do is going to drain the coolant. As you can see, the coolant's right there, the drain right there. And after that, we're going to keep showing you step by step on what to be taken out. So we're going to be taking out this cable here, the fans. We're eventually going to take these out, take these lines out, the transmission lines go into the radiator. A better view of what I'm talking about, the drain. This right here, you're going to turn it to the left. And then as soon as you turn it, it's going to come draining down, and it's going to fall in whatever you have in the bottom, a catch pan, oil pan, whatever you want to call it. That's the first thing you want to do, is just drain the coolant before you even start taking anything off. So the first thing we're going to do, like I said, is we're going to drain the coolant. He's going to go ahead and turn on the knob over there real quick. Alright, so as you can see, coolant's already coming down. Doesn't look like it has too much coolant. Oh. So basically, you're going to get a catch pan right over here. Look at all that water come on, all that coolant. Oh yeah. He's going to be using this tool right over here to pry out the wiring and the cables that's attached to the fan plastic here. I'm going to give it a closer up so you guys can see. Alright, and just like that, I popped right out. Alright, so I must have not recorded this part, but basically there's two 10mm bolts that hold in the radiator. As you can see, he's taking out one right now. And then there's one right across on the opposite side. As you can see, there's a 10mm bolt that hold in the radiator fan. And that's your second bolt. Right, then you're gonna go ahead and take the reservoir line out, and then you should be able just to pull out the fan. Don't forget to take this out when you're emptying out the radiator. This will relieve all the air in there, and it'll just drain it out quicker. So next, what he's gonna be doing is taking out these two lines right over here. There's one right there, one in the bottom that goes to the transmission, and fluid's gonna come out of there. So make sure you have something to plug it up, like one of the bolts from the 10mm, or just some bolt laying around. You know, you can use a spark plug, anything just to hold the oil from the transmission to come out of there. So right here, make sure you guys use some pliers and just take off the clamp, and then just wiggle out the line, and it should come right off. Again, I forgot to record, I guess, a few parts here and there. So if you guys go all the way in the bottom, let focus real quick. If you follow all the way directly from the bottom, from the other one that you just took out, there's going to be the second one right there, and do the same thing. I'm going to loosen that, holding it down, and then you're just going to take the line out. Okay. When you remove this bottom hose, make sure you have a catch pan or something to catch the coolant, because it's going to come out. We're going to go ahead and tackle the top one, take out the clamp, same process as the bottom one. There you go. Just like that, it just came out. You have to, you know, play around with it with a little bit, you know, something to pry it on. Like and just like that, that's how it comes out. There's two 12mm bolts that hold in the radiator still. So this is the bracket that holds it in. Basically, I forgot to record the part explaining it, but here's basically just removing the 12mm bolt that holds in the bracket that holds in the radiator itself. There you go. That's one of them. Take the bracket piece out and holds it in place. There you go. Tackle the second one. Yeah, make sure you guys, you know, take your time doing them, because sometimes these bolts are rusty. Depends on the year of your car. As you can see, the other side is a bit rusty. And you don't want to break these bolts. Make sure you take your time, you know, taking these out. And just like that, take the other one out, and you're ready to take out the radiator. You guys see these rubber pieces that go on the bottom of the radiator. Make sure you guys reuse these on the new one, because you will need them, so don't forget to put those on the new one. Instead of just leaving them on the new one, it's better if you just go ahead and just put them on where they're gonna go exactly anyways. So you see those 2 big holes in the bottom of the frame here, and the other one goes on the other side. You can take your time now to just go ahead and clean off any of the remaining coolant. You want to clean your engine bay, you know, you have more than enough space in here, so you can do that as well. I'm gonna go ahead and take this out before you even go ahead and install it, because it's gonna be a pain in the ass once it's in there. So that's just holding it in place so nothing, you know, no debris gets in there. And we're gonna take both of them out. All right, what you want to do now is basically just make sure you install it right on those rubber pieces I showed you earlier. Make sure it fits in place and if it's taken. All right, basically he's just bolting up everything. The job's basically done. You're just gonna reverse order everything that he just showed you how to do, and we're gonna do a little montage of him just basically finishing up the job, and enjoy the montage. Alright guys, so that pretty much sums up the video of the 2006 for the Corolla. If you guys want to see any further videos in the future, make sure you guys hit us up, learn those in the comments below. Here's David. You guys already know he did the job, and if you guys want to see any further videos, again, let me know in the comments below. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Much love, your boy CG Mercs.